What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. Let's look at what's going on with this crazy market. As you can see, we have been going down, oh man, to the deep bottom sea. Okay, so what has been happening? As you can see, once we end up losing this 39,000, 40,000 area, we started coming down. We lost this monthly level here, right? When it was support, we lost that and came all the way down to around that 30 to 33,000 area. From there, we also broke. Well, let me show you first the 4 hour, and then I'll show you the trend line that I was talking about. But we broke down another daily here, and then we broke down to even yesterday, which was around the 25,429 area. Okay, now we cannot reclaim any of these levels here. The next level, unfortunately, is around that 23,000 area. Okay, so that's where we are right now. As you can see, you can even go down a little more. We also have this next support system around the 18,000. Okay, so it's just, one of those things. This is just what crypto is, super volatile, especially with all the FUD happening around the Luna coin and all these things. It's just ridiculous, right? But remember, this is how Bitcoin moves. Okay, it has super upside when we went to around the 69,000, and then we had this massive drop. So what can we see here? Let me show you the daily so you guys can see this. Okay, we had this upper trend line right here, as you can see. All right, we had this trend line here, touch here, right? As you can see, it started from here, then here, and then we were here, right? So the thing is that we also lost that, right? Now, what can happen is that we can try to reclaim this again, which is around this daily here, which is around that, 29,700 or so, and also reclaim this trend line, and then try to break all these levels, which we have also the high time frame value area low. We also have another weekly around that 31,700. So we need to break all these levels first before we can even think about moving up to the next level. Okay, and the main ones right now, if we zoom in a little bit, is right here. Okay, we need to first break this level, which is the daily, right, around that 29,700, and this trend line. If we can reclaim this and move up and then start closing above and start moving up, then we have a higher chance of moving up to, that 33 to 35,000 level. But until then, unfortunately, we just, it looks like this is still on a downtrend. Right now we're in a daily, so if we move into the 4 hour, as you can see, we did try, okay, multiple times here for the last 8 hours. We did try to break this, okay, but it is major resistance right now. Okay, and right now we're actually going down some. All right, so this is what you need to understand, that it's just crypto super volatile, and you need to have those things in place already. Now, the other thing as well is that you can see this wick here, right? This here was basically a liquidity grab, okay, and we started moving up from there, right? There was a lot of limit orders there. So what happens when you have this type of candles is that for the first, either short term to long term, is a move reversal, right? But we did move up, right? So that was around a $4,000 to $5,000 move, but now we're getting rejected. Okay, so we could come back down maybe on this daily here and then bounce back up from there. We could come down all the way again to do like a double bottom and then start moving back up from there. And if not, then we're gonna move back down and then come back to the 23 area and see if we can hopefully move up from there, right? But the other thing too is that we are around this section right now. So we could have maybe some volume come in and try to go for another round here and try to break this daily and this trend line. If we can do that, then I can see us moving back up to around the high time frame value area low. Okay. If we can reclaim this value area low and this daily and trend line, then I can see us moving back up at least on the short term to around that 32, 33, even hopefully 35 area for another bounce before maybe getting rejected again and then coming back down. I'm not sure. Nobody really knows. This is why you always need to have a bullish and a bearish scenario plan for all of your trades, and you always need to have your risk management in place, right? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up, a quick video here on what's happening. These are the levels that I'm looking at right now. Like I said, right now, before we can move up, we need to break these levels, which is around the 29,800 or so to 30,000 area. Once we break the 30,000, I can see us try to move back at least to the 31 to even 32,000. And if we can break that again, we can hopefully see 35. If not, to the downside, this is the next daily support right here, which is around that 27,700. And if we cannot hold that, then we might even come back down to around the 23. All right. And if we cannot hold that, then again, the other one is around the 18 to 19,000. So let's just not worry about these two numbers right now because we are around right here. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Maybe we can try to do another run to this daily and trend line and see if we can break through it. And until then, this is the level. All right. So right now, like I said, it's this one and this daily below support here. Okay. This is the level right now. We can be trading in here for a few days until something happens. Either we break to the upside or we break to the downside. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little short video. I will try to make more for you guys in the coming days. I'm also creating the new series on trading strategies. So I'm recording that for you as well. Okay, so make sure that if you're not a member, you subscribe to my channel, like the video. It really helps me out. And if you have any comments, let me know below and I will respond to you. Stay safe out there and remember, let the profits come to you.